Welcome to the welding programming race. In the pink corner, ABAGY. In the other pink corner, traditional. So, run me through what's going to happen here. These are the test pieces.
Yep, we prepared two nearly identical workpieces, and they have plenty of different seams, but we will work with only a few of them.
Okay.
First of them will be this one.
This one here, yeah.
Yeah. It seems to be quite easy and short, but it has some trickiness.
It's very curvy.
The second seam is this round one. With this round one, what we will need to do for it to be flawless is to rotate the positioner and the robot simultaneously at the same time.
Okay. The third one?
The third one will be this long path inside. So tell me what can be problematic with this.
Well, it's very tight. To get the nozzle in there, yeah, that's
yes.
You don't have much freedom to maneuver, but we'll see.
Yes.
And this will all be against the clock. So we'll be using the panel over there, and you will be using the teach-pendant. Ready to go?
Yeah.